Draw a rectangle as per the size of image. Fill color whichever you like. Select 3-point curve tool and draw a curve as shown here. Select freehand tool and draw a line from one end of the curve to the midpoint of rectangle. Draw a tangent line as shown here. Fill color using Smart Fill tool. Press Alt key and select the bottom object and delete the same. Edit this purple color using Interactive Fill tool. Purple at both the ends and white in the middle. Adjust it properly. Select both these objects, hold Ctrl, and rotate from left to right. Press right-click to create a copy. Change this rectangle color, which you like, and apply linear transparency. Select all. Remove outline and group.